Hi everyone, today we're diving into Brevo with a full step-by-step guide for beginners. Brevo is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you create beautiful newsletters, automate workflows, and integrate sign-up forms on your website. Whether you're a pro or just starting, Brevo can streamline your email marketing process. Once registered, you'll land on the dashboard, your command center for email marketing. The left navigation bar provides access to essential tools like campaigns, contacts, and automation, making it easy to manage your campaigns. Every email sent through Brevo has a sender attached, usually your registered email. For a more professional touch, set up a custom sender with your domain. Go to the Senders and IP section in your dashboard, add a new sender by entering your name and custom email, then click Save. Finally, verify your email using the link Brevo sends, and your custom sender will be ready to use. Automations can significantly enhance your email marketing by allowing you to automate tasks like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-ups. To set one up, navigate to Automation in your dashboard. Create a new automation by naming it and selecting an entry point such as Contact submits a form. Add actions to be triggered, like sending an email. Include conditions to fine-tune when those actions occur, such as only sending to contacts on your list for over 30 days. By following these steps, you can effectively start using Brevo to create impactful email marketing campaigns.